Everyone with a dream or a plan will go through unsettling times and failures in life. This is exponentially possible as your dreams and plans get bigger. Having your plans derailed can weigh heavy on you to the point where it's hard to follow through, hard to dream, or even hard to live. I know because I've been there. Once I was honest with myself and with God, I was then able to lay down traditional religious practices and live with peace and success originally designed for me by God. See Jeremiah chapter 29, verse 11. You can avoid or get out of being beat down, lost, or paralyzed along your journey. Prayer Blueprint The Experience is the first of a series of tools that help dreamers and planners to pray strategically to receive the promises of God. You will access peace and success by design.